Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Different things that we want to announce. You may want to refer to it as Atmanirbhar 3.0. This Prime Minister Rozgar Protsahan Yojana is something which all of you all already know. It exists. It was implemented up to 31/3/2019. It had covered all sectors beginning textiles, and then it is expected to run 3 years. It is running for 3 years. So even if somebody joined the scheme on 31/3/2019, they would be covered under that existing scheme for another, from then 3 years. It is still active. Up to today, there's about 8,300 crores which have been disbursed to the beneficiaries. The new scheme, which we are now calling as Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana, is being launched so that we incentivize creation of new employment opportunities so that the recovery phase benefits from it. Credit year-on-year growth improved by 5.1%. As of 23rd October 2020. Of course, markets, you're watching, markets are at record high. Record market capitalization is happening. Net investments, FPIs, is positive. And the reserves like never before of foreign exchange is at $560 billion.